Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And this video is going to be about the polygel nails that you can easily make at the comfort of your home. And for making the polygel nails, it is really important to clean the surface area of the nails on your hand. And the clean nail is going to be very easy to work with when it comes to polygel. And after cleaning, it's really important to dehydrate the surface, cuticle surface area. And for that, you can use the rubbing alcohol. And I'm using the rubbing alcohol on some cotton and dehydrating my nails. And the difference is in front of you. The dehydration part is very important because after that, the polygel is going to easily stick on to the surface area of nail, and those nails are going to last for a month or maybe longer depending on your care. And next step is to use the polygel and the nail set. You can pick the nail set, the nail shape according to your nail shape from this set, and I'm going to pick the nail shape of my thumb, and I'm going to show you that how you can form that using my thumbnail. As you can see that this nail shape is perfectly the shape of my thumb, so I'm going to use it as an extension and going to use this polygel as well. So taking out some of the polygel on the brush which they have given to this. If you are a beginner, do not take so much of polygel, take little and then start making it, practicing it. You may also apply it directly to the nail surface, but I like to make the shape spreading the polygel evenly on entire nail first and then to apply this on my nail. Spread that gel evenly. After spreading that gel evenly on that nail extension, press that directly onto the nail, and you may use a clip as well to hold that gel on the nail properly. And now I'm going to use the LED light for about 1 to 2 minutes so that this polygel gets hard and directly sticks on to the nail surface. And after that, I have removed the extension, and this is the finished nail. And going to finish up this using some transparent nail paint. And this is the completed nail look. If you have enjoyed it and it was informative for you, please consider subscribing to my channel. I post videos several times a week. Share and like my videos as well, and also comment down what you guys want to see next. Till then, stay healthy and bye guys.